so that we have them on one page?
For now, we ask you to use these ones.
Now, for today, though, you're going to be getting your old syllabus for your course. So what you're going to have to do, how I listed these assessments here, you're going to have to do it the old way. So this is how it looks in the old syllabus. You'll have to circle which of those Mosby standards, and then you'll have to put whatever your assessment is next to it. Do that today before you leave. Then you don't have to do it at home and get it back to us. And then you're going to just turn it in today. Then, okay, here's the last piece of the puzzle for the alignment. You have this. You pick your Mosby or your program standard. You put your assessment. This is all yes. Because is the objective a significant focus? Yeah, or why have it? I don't even know why that column's there, but it is. Okay, you have your Mosby program objectives or whatever your program is. The last one is the division. So find the one that says the divisional objectives. This chart. You're going to turn these back into us today. Pick 2. Don't pick any more than 2. Can you pick 1? Yes. Don't pick any more than 2. These are the 2 that I picked. And then you put the assessment that's going to measure that divisional goal. You can pick 1, or you can pick 2, but you can't pick 3, 4, or 5, or 6, or 7. 1 or 2 for the divisional objectives. And then you choose your assessments that you feel best from your course or your assignment that best fits whichever divisional goal that you select as the lead instructor. Once we did this, it wasn't as hard as it seems at all. Because you already have all your content made. You already have your assignments and your assessments. Can we change them later on? Yes. But for today, let's just align it, turn them back in, and then we'll move forward. Any questions? Yeah.
That's okay.
Exactly.
That's
and
okay.
that's what's going to come out with the data with all this, and that's what we want to know.
Yes.
So we can use that data to change things, to improve.
Be careful that we got nailed because we had to add number 4 on diversity. We don't have that one in there. We're going to get nailed again.
Yeah.
But when we see it come out,
Then we're going to address that.
Then we can make sure we have it.
And as Diane said, then maybe we can look at the other the courses, and maybe we could select number 4 for a certain course instead of a number 1 for that course.
Ideally, just fill it out for your course and think about your course and what you're doing. Don't worry about the other stuff.
Right.
It'll
It's
come
my
out
job to worry about the
as we do
division.
those X's and stuff.
Program directors to worry about the program.
Okay, thank you.
All right, so now we are going to pass out your master syllabus.
It's going to be a little chaotic, but it'll give you a break.
This is the latest one that we have, so I'm hopeful that these really are the most up to date. Oh, so do they have a paper, Sherry, that they need? Once they have it.
I thought we were, but we'll find out.
I've got a list. Oh, here's my list right here.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, if I can explain one last thing in your packet with the alignment, and then I'm going to pass it to Dr. Collum. Dr. Collum. Okay, you should have, some of you will have multiple syllabi. You will have your syllabus. Remember, you have to open it up to your course objectives. You'll need to circle one of them. Now, you need to make sure you only have 5 objectives. No more than 5, except there are some exceptions that we talked about. Then you're going to list next to your objective the assessments that you're using for those objectives, okay? You have to do that actually on your syllabus, because remember that first chart, the course objectives, you don't have that chart yet. So you'll have to do it right on the old syllabus, on the objectives. Any questions on that? Okay, then the pink paper. If you have only one course, you'll only have one pink piece of paper. This chart you need to fill out and turn in today on your course. This is the divisional objectives. This is the one where you only want, how many? 2. Okay, so if you need to write at the top 1 or 2, write at the top of your pink paper 1 or 2. Okay, the blue sheet. Also, what should be in here are the MOSFI standards or your leader standards, whatever standards are for your course. They should also be included. This chart, the blue chart, you will also complete and turn in today. The blue chart, if you don't have one, we'll get you one. The blue chart is the program. So if it's not MOSFI, you might have a different color. Christy, did you have a different color for different programs? So maybe you have a different color. Like this is MOSFI. Like you have yellow because that's technology, Amber?
Yes, this is ISTE standards.
Okay, she has the ISTE standards, so they colored them differently.
Yeah.
Okay. Those you will turn back into before you leave today, please. Okay. All right, good luck.
Okay, let me have your attention. Put all that down. Forget all that Sherry's told you now for the last 45 minutes for just a few minutes. Yeah.
Don't we want to give them a few minutes to do that, or no?
That's what I wanted to do, to have them do it right here. That we just did it, let them do
You want
it.
me to wait?
Yeah, I want you to wait.
Let's wait, yeah, do that first, yeah.
I want you all to take some time right now to do this. And we're gonna be tough. We'll do the credit hour calculator in a little bit.
If we're gonna, if we got the wrong one.
We're working that out. So let's work that out right now. Okay? So take a minute right now and work on this project.
Here's your packet. All right, then we gotta go over here. This is the division. You're gonna do
I write on yours. Yeah. Oh, I kept
so which one, what is signed? So are we gonna measure you?
So you don't do any of this.
Carl, who gets inspection support?
I guess Amber, correct?
Amber?
Yeah, that's what it is. I'm pretty sure I have some of Carl's here though. I'll pass some of that back.
Yeah, so one A, yeah.
Then I wouldn't worry about it.
So did you just do one? Or do you think we can do this one?
Okay, raise your hand if you have a doctoral level class.
What?
Doctoral level class.
Yeah?
Doctoral level,
Yeah.
you may or may not have any standards listed behind your objectives. So for you right now, what are we doing?
Gina asked also, in addition to writing your course on the pink and yellow and green sheets, if you could put your name somewhere on there, so in case we have any questions, we can call you.
The 673, the other 673.
We're asking that you also put your name on there, because Melanie said some of them got a little mixed up, in case we have questions.
Question, what happens with our assistant, our new course, our assistant technology course? Who's doing that?
I have no idea, I would ask Melanie about
Just
that.
have to come up.
We don't know.
I have, she hasn't shared that with me.
Because I thought we were creating it.
Yeah, they mean,
Talk about, negotiate, committee members.
Sharon.
You don't have
The, sheet.
no. That's the blue one, we don't have a blue card. Put that in.
And I understand we can
You can change. I thought you the light.
You need to make sure you have less than 5.
Where's the gold?
And then you take
Oh,
whatever.
here, Will.
They are aligned.
Okay.
Which one?
We got eliminated. Just bring that seat over here. We got this space around the roll. You traveling better? I got it.
Yeah, let's take your copy.
There you go.
Oh, that's your only one?
So where is the white ticket that I'm supposed?
Well, we don't have that. Remember, that's what is different than the master. So you're just gonna have to write your assessment right there on here. It's positive.